the date and time that silver price comes back down. Something big is about to hit the markets, and hardly anybody is paying attention to it. I'm talking about a moment on the calendar coming faster than you think, and it's going to yank silver straight back down, most likely straight back down to your buy price. And most people won't even understand why until it's already too late. And if you're not watching the next few days like a hawk, you're going to miss the exact point where silver flips direction. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner never claimed his prize. We have 20 Eagles just sitting here with no home to go to. Don't be that guy. Click that link I left below, be the next winner on the list, and take home that silver. Now, look at this. The first big pressure point on silver is the jobs report, the non-farm payrolls coming out at the end of this week. And here's the deal. If the numbers come in strong, silver usually pays the price. When hiring jumps or unemployment drops, Wall Street takes that as a sign the Fed can keep interest rates higher. And every time rates look like they're staying up higher, silver gets pushed down. Money goes where it's treated best. If the U.S. job market looks hot, silver gets cold. That's just the reality of this market. And the pattern is real. We've seen this before. A surprise of just 50,000 additional jobs. We've seen that knock down silver 1 to 3% in 24 hours. That's how fast this can move. People think the jobs report is just another headline, but traders build entire positions around it. Silver gets hammered because a strong report boosts the dollar, and a strong dollar squeezes silver downward. We also have the ISM manufacturing PMI. It's one of the most slept on reports. Well, don't sleep on it because it hits silver harder than almost anything else. It comes out in the first few days of December, and if that number jumps above 50, meaning factories are expanding again, silver generally gets shoved lower fast because when manufacturing looks strong, big money shifts into stocks and away from metals. That's the risk-on move. That's how they see it. And every time Wall Street gets excited, silver gets pushed to the headlines because, again, money goes where it's going to grow. Over the last 12 months, listen to this, every single ISM number above 50 caused silver to drop an average of 1.7 the same day. This is one of those reports that most people ignore until after it hits. But by then, the market reaction has already happened. That's why knowing the release time matters, because silver tends to move within minutes. And don't miss the early PCE inflation estimate, because that comes out in the first stretch of December. These aren't the final numbers. That's later. But the estimates also move markets like crazy. Anytime inflation looks sticky, the market immediately prices in fewer rate cuts and silver takes a hit. It happens fast, often before the official report even comes out, because traders react to the early predictions. They want to be ahead of the game. They look at leaks. They look at previews. Look at how strong this hits silver. Just last quarter, a 0.1% upside surprise in PCE expectations erased 2 full weeks of silver gains in a single afternoon. That's what we're looking at. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.